Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can delete WeChat account. Well, it's a pretty straightforward process. All you have to do is launch your WeChat account and make sure you've logged into your account of WeChat. Now, at the bottom section, you can see me. So let's select it. From there, we're gonna navigate to settings. From there is account security option at the top. Let's select this one. Now for deletion, we're gonna need to navigate to WeChat Security Center. So deletion is one of the many safety tools WeChat has. So let's select safety tools option. And there at the bottom, we can see account cancellation. In WeChat, this is apparently the deletion of the account. Let's select it. Now, these are the terms and conditions of account deletion or cancellation. Do read them if you want. And if you are sure that you just want to move forward with deletion of WeChat, just click on I have read and accept and then click on request cancellation. Now once the account has been cancelled, these are the things that are the consequences. For example, contacts will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered in others. Now just click on next, and here there are more things that you might want to consider before you confirm the cancellation. So agree in confirm cancellation. So yeah, it is saying that WeChat team will process our request and delete any data within 15 days. So if you log back into your account within 15 days, the request cancellation will be automatically dismissed. Now you know how to delete WeChat account. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding deleting WeChat account, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.